गुड आफ्टरनून। आज मल्होत्रा जी का 76 बर्थडे है और आज की इस गौरवशाली दिन एमबीडी का फाउंडर्स डे भी है। इस अवसर पर मैं आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ। मल्होत्रा जी ने अपने जीवन काल में जिन लक्ष्यों को निर्धारित किया उन्हें पूरा करने के लिए उन्होंने बहुत प्रयत्न भी किए और उन्होंने अपने लक्ष्यों को प्राप्त भी किए और नए आदर्शों की स्थापना भी की। आज कोरोना महामारी के इस कठिन समय में हमें उन्हीं के आदर्शों पर चलकर विपत्तियों का डटकर सामना करना है। एमबीडी ने सदा अपनी टीम को अपने परिवार की तरह समझा है। कोविड के इस कठिन समय में एमबीडी ने अपनी टीम के स्वास्थ्य का विशेष ध्यान रखते हुए उनके स्वास्थ्य बीमा की रकम को बढ़ा दिया है। हमारी कंपनी के बहुत सी एम्प्लॉइज ने कोविड से संक्रमित होकर हॉस्पिटलाइज होने पर इसका लाभ भी उठाया। स्वास्थ्य बीमा की इस धनराशि ने उस मुश्किल समय में उनके साहस को बनाए रखा। इसी के साथ हमें अत्यंत दुख भी है अपने उन साथियों के खो जाने का जिनकी इस महामारी के कारण असमय मृत्यु हो गई। एमबीडी के विकास में उनके योगदान को हम हमेशा याद रखेंगे। उनके परिवारों की इस हानि की भरपाई करना तो असंभव है, किंतु हम उनकी आर्थिक सहायता कर रहे हैं। हमारी सहानुभूति सदैव उनके साथ रहेगी। जीवन हताश होकर बैठ जाने से नहीं चलता। हम चुनौतियों को भी स्वीकार करेंगे और निरंतर आगे बढ़ते हुए एमबीडी को सफलता के नए शिखरों पर पहुंचाएंगे। हम नई ऊर्जा के साथ अपने संकल्पों को पूरा करेंगे। हम अपने हौसलों से नई उड़ान भरेंगे और उन्नति के नए आकाश को छुएंगे। इसलिए मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि मुश्किलों में भाग जाना आसान होता है, डरने वालों को मिला नहीं कुछ भी। जिंदगी में लड़ने वालों के कदमों में जहान होता। और अब अंत में एमबीडी टीम का धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ जो हमेशा हर परिस्थिति में हमारे साथ खड़ी रही है। मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि हम सभी एक साथ फिर से समय को बदलते हुए देखेंगे। परिस्थितियों और हालात जल्दी ही सामान्य होंगे और हम विकास की नई मंजिलों पर पहुंचेंगे। धन्यवाद।
Greetings to all of you who are watching us, our partners, our associates in India and abroad, our friends from media, our dear MBDians. Congratulations on the Founders Day of the MBD Group. I want to start with praying for the health and well-being of each one of you. This Founders Day coincides with the 76th birth anniversary of a great founder, Shri Ashok Kumar Malhotra, my dad. It's a very emotional day for us. बहुत सारी बातें याद आती हैं, बहुत सारे किस्से। उनकी जीवन शैली हमारे लिए प्रेरणा स्वरूप है। उनकी शिक्षण मानो मुश्किल वक्त में हाथ पकड़ के ये कह रहा हो, मैं साथ हूं, तुम अपने हौसले बुलंद रखो। बहुत बार कहते थे, पहाड़ पर चढ़ना आसान नहीं है, दृढ़ निश्चय करना पड़ता है। चुनौतियों का सामना करने वालों को ही मंजिल मिलती है, पुरस्कार मिलता है। Life has been very tough for all of us recently. But we stand tall, as we Embedians did not lose our determination. We did not lose our motivation. Yes, the grief, the pain, the challenges may fade away with time. But the learnings which we have got from these difficult times will stay with us for a lifetime. The learnings and teachings like gratitude, resilience. Gratitude, we should be thankful to God for each blessing we have. We should be thankful to each and every person who has contributed in our lives, whether small or big. And hence hereby, I want to thank each one of you, each Embedian, who have performed exemplary during such times. Resilience. We should not lose our hope and patience in times like this. They make us sail through. I truly appreciate again for maintaining the hope, the resilience, the patience of each Embedian. Thank you very much. Another thing which I learned, or I should say relearned, is innovation. When possibilities are diminishing or reducing, it's must to innovate. Innovate to survive, innovate to grow, innovate to prosper in policies, procedures, or products. Rising to the challenges, our education vertical launched path-breaking digital products, Asoka and ALTS. Asoka is catering to the students, giving them high quality education content, assessments, assignments, video audio lectures, problem solving, ebooks, so on and so forth. ALTS, which is Asoka Learning and Teaching Solution for Schools. It caters to all the teaching, administrative, academic needs of a school. These products are well suited for all boards and curriculums in India. Under our hospitality vertical, with our brand MBD Steigenberger, which caters to the luxury segment of hospitality, we have increased our footprint by signing management contracts. More than 650 keys across Ranthambore, Bangalore and Mumbai. With another hospitality brand MBD Express, which caters to the mid-market segment, giving them experiential hospitality, we have increased our footprint to 950 keys across Mumbai, Goa, NCR, Delhi. Sonika Malhotra Kandhari, our Joint Managing Director, with her team, she's made us proud year after year, and this year also they have bagged many prizes for the group. Naming a few: TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice 2021 Award for Radisson Blu MBD Hotel Noida and Radisson Blu Hotel MBD Ludhiana. Loved by Guests 2021 Award from Hotels.com for Radisson Blu MBD Hotel Noida. S18, our all-day brasserie, has won Best Multi-Cuisine Luxury Dining Restaurant by Times Food and Nightlife Awards 2021. Both Radisson Hotel Radisson Blu Hotel MBD Noida and Ludhiana have been nominated for the India's Best Awards 2020 by Travel and Leisure India for Best Luxury Hotel and Best Leisure Hotel category. There are decades where we progress at a pace, but there are some months where we do decades of work, and that holds true for us. Each vertical, each team member have put in their best to achieve new products, to explore new territories, in stringent timelines, and maybe at times with limited resources. And definitely so, this statement holds true for us. This MBD group is the family of a founder, and we respect each one's contribution. But today we are saddened also with the loss of some very precious team members. Manoj Sharma, he was our press manager in education vertical. He was dedicated to discipline and productivity. We lost him due to pandemic. We miss him. Vijay Kemishetty. He was our product officer. He rose to a managerial position in a record time because of his passion and dedication. His trainings are to be remembered for lifetime. We truly miss him. Amarnath Pathak, our assistant store in charge, very hardworking. He used to go an extra mile for completing all tasks. We miss him today. Sunil Kumar Arora, he started with us as a freelancer, and then after that he worked full-time, manager, interior, execution in projects. He was a key member to deliver us Radisson, Blue MBD Hotel, Noida and Ludhiana both. We truly miss him. Amarjeet Singh, he joined us as telemarketing manager. Very lively guy, very fun-loving, very passionate about his job. We miss him today. We are saddened with thee, and we deeply mourn the untimely demise of our team members due to pandemic. Today we humbly want to pay tribute to each one of them. There will be struggles ahead, there may be struggles ahead, there may be challenges ahead. But let us pledge, with the blessings of our founder and with the blessings of our chairperson, Shri Satish Bala Malhotra, let us pledge to continue, to do more, to think beyond, to make difference, to touch lives. In the words of our founder, सर्वश्रेष्ठता हमारा मूल है, सर्वोच्चता हमारा लक्ष्य और निरंतर खोज हमारी पूजा. We did not come this far to just come this far. Leave aside the challenges, keep them aside, and let us only concentrate on the opportunities which are thrown to us in each day of our lives. In the end, I want to wish each one of you luck, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Happy birthday to our founder. He didn't leave us, he can never leave us. Thank you for looking after us forever and always. Thank you.
My dearest MBD family, congratulations to each one of you on this auspicious day. MBD Group's Founders Day, commemorating 76th birth anniversary of our founder, my father, Shri Ashok Kumar Malhotra ji. Today, as I address everyone, I feel MBD Group has come of age. In the past year, we encountered challenges, professional and personal. Had some successes and some we missed, but we were not defeated. Our difficulties did not define us. They simply strengthened our ability to overcome. I salute all MBD heroes who pulled all stops to ensure there was no disruption in our services and deliverables. We re-engineered processes, we innovated and fashioned creative, cost-effective measures. If it needed to be done, it got done. Our service deliveries for patrons, students, guests continued seamlessly in the pursuit of our excellence at the face of all odds. We made the small stuff right in continuation to achieve bigger goals, one step at a time. The last few months haven't exactly been great or easy. Each one of us has been affected. Some of us more than others. We learned how vulnerable we are if we are just by ourselves. As we face the pandemic together, as one MBD family, we realized our strength. We fall, we rise, and we help others get on their feet. That's what families do. And that's what our founder would have done for us and for ourselves in such difficult times. We will not be defeated. We will fight back as one strong MBD family. क्या हार में, क्या जीत में, किंचित नहीं भयभीत में, संघर्ष पथ पर जो मिला, यह भी सही, वह भी सही. We can't let our failures define us or defeat us. If we fail, we have just found 10,000 ways that will not work. Failure is a destination for those who give up, and success is a destination for those who keep trying. Things will get better, maybe tomorrow or the day after, but I'm certain that day is not far. Have hope. Yes, hope, but not blind optimism, without ignoring the enormity of the task ahead or the roadblocks that stand in our path. Without sitting on the sidelines or shirking action. Hope is that power inside us that gives us courage to reach for it, to work for it, and to fight for it, and remake the world as it should be. Papa said, परिश्रम में पूजा है, परिश्रम से आत्मा उसी प्रकार पवित्र हो जाती है जिस प्रकार पूजा से. Hence, with hope, with effort, we shall walk the path of our responsibility with determination and focus and the deepest possible effort. सीमित समय, सीमित साधन और हमारी असीमित महत्वाकांक्षाएं कहीं ना कहीं कोई कोर कसर रहना संभाविक है. अधूरी महत्वाकांक्षाओं का कोई अस्वाद नहीं होना चाहिए, बल्कि अपनी कर्मठता में सुकून और आत्मसंतोष होना चाहिए कि हमने अपने कर्म में कोई कोर कसर नहीं छोड़ी. Excellence is not about being the best. It's about doing your best. It's the will to do the common thing in the uncommon way. Day after day, consistently with sincerest efforts, intelligent direction, skillful execution, and the ability to see obstacles as opportunities. My aspiration, my happiness, my success. We need to get rid of my and replace this my with we. Greatness comes by beginning something that does not end with you. As MBDians, that is our true inheritance, privilege and responsibility that we owe to our founder. May humility and perseverance be our guiding principles, and sharing and giving be standard accessories of life. We must give more in order to get more, and serve the bigger needs of people and society at large. Today, on this auspicious day, I invite you to join me, and together let us embark on the expedition to unlock our true potential. Let us work to open doors, allowing us to dream, learn, and laugh, and also share laughter, allowing us to set goals, to be determined to believe in ourselves, allowing us to lend a helping hand. And when you do, you will get a helping hand yourselves, allowing us to be happy. And when you do, you will inspire others around you. Have motivation, belief, determination, and that's what MBD stands for. MBD, motivation, belief, determination. And that's what our founder believed in and inculcated in each one of us. आखिर में यह कहना चाहती हूं, असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसको स्वीकार मत करो। क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो। जब तक ना सफल हो नींद चैन की त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़ मत भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। नमस्कार।